Earning money through YouTube automation involves creating content with minimal personal involvement, often by outsourcing or using tools to handle video production, editing, and uploading. This method leverages trends, evergreen topics, and algorithms to generate passive income. Here's how you can start and succeed in YouTube automation. First, choose a niche that is both profitable and scalable. Popular niches include finance, health, self-improvement, technology, and entertainment. The key is to select a topic with high search volume and low competition. Use tools like Google Trends, Keyword Planner, or TubeBuddy to identify trending topics and keywords. Evergreen content, such as how-to, guides, or top 10 lists, tends to perform well over time, ensuring consistent views and revenue. Next, research and plan your content strategy. Watch successful channels in your niche to understand what works. Focus on creating high-quality, engaging videos that cater to your target audience. Scripts should be well-structured, with attention-grabbing intros, valuable content, and strong calls to action. Since you're automating the process, consider hiring freelance writers or using AI tools like ChatGPT to generate scripts quickly and efficiently. Outsourcing is a critical component of YouTube automation. Hire freelancers for video editing, voiceovers, and thumbnail design. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer offer talented professionals at affordable rates. Ensure your editors understand YouTube's visual style, dynamic cuts, engaging visuals, and subtitles to keep viewers hooked. High-quality thumbnails and titles are essential for click-through rates, so invest in eye-catching designs and compelling text. Upload videos consistently to build momentum. Use scheduling tools to automate uploads, ensuring a steady flow of content without daily involvement. Consistency helps the YouTube algorithm favor your channel, increasing visibility and subscriber growth. Aim for at least one video per week, but more frequent uploads can accelerate growth if quality isn't compromised. Monetization begins once your channel meets YouTube's partner program requirements, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year. Enable ads to earn revenue from views. Additionally, explore other income streams like affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and merchandise. Affiliate links in video descriptions can generate commissions for products you recommend. Sponsorships become viable as your channel grows, with brands paying for promotions. Optimize your videos for SEO to maximize reach. Use relevant keywords in titles, descriptions, and tags. Create engaging meta descriptions and closed captions to improve accessibility and search rankings. Encourage viewer interaction by asking questions and prompting likes, comments, and shares, which boost engagement metrics. Finally, analyze performance using YouTube Analytics. Track metrics like watch time, audience retention, and traffic sources to refine your strategy. Double down on what works and discard underperforming content. Over time, reinvest profits into better tools, higher quality outsourcing, or advertising to scale your channel further. YouTube automation requires upfront effort and investment but can become a lucrative passive income source. By combining smart niche selection, outsourcing, and strategic optimization, you can build a successful automated channel that generates revenue with minimal ongoing effort.